Have you ever wondered what a mutual fund is? Perhaps you've heard the term thrown around in financial circles, or maybe you've stumbled upon it in your own research. If so, you're not alone. The world of investing can be complex and daunting, but understanding mutual funds can be a game changer. Mutual funds, in simple terms, are investment vehicles that pool together money from multiple investors. This pooled money, managed by a professional fund manager, is then invested in a diversified portfolio of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and other securities. The idea behind this is to spread the risk and increase the potential for returns. Think of a mutual fund like a basket of fruits. Instead of buying one kind of fruit and risking it going bad, you buy a variety of fruits. This way, even if one fruit goes bad, you still have others that are good. Similarly, in a mutual fund, even if one investment performs poorly, others might perform well, balancing out the overall performance. The beauty of mutual funds lies in their accessibility. They allow individuals who may not have the knowledge or the time to manage their own investments to participate in the financial markets. They also allow investors to access a diversified portfolio with a relatively small amount of money. However, like all investments, mutual funds come with their own set of risks. The performance of a mutual fund is dependent on the performance of the assets it invests in. If these assets perform poorly, so will the mutual fund. It's also important to remember that while a mutual fund manager has expertise in investing, they cannot guarantee returns. In summary, a mutual fund is a type of investment vehicle that pools money from multiple investors and invests it in a diversified portfolio of assets. It's managed by a professional fund manager and offers a way for individuals to participate in the financial markets. However, it's important to understand that, like all investments, mutual funds come with risks and can't guarantee returns. Understanding mutual funds is a key step in navigating the world of investing. It opens up a world of opportunities and allows you to make more informed decisions about your money. After all, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your financial future.